Sandra, and today I'm going to pick the winner for my August giveaway. And if you don't remember, I was giving this Creative Shop 117S, and I was giving the Maniology plate, which is M593, which is the castles. And we're going to give this away, so good luck to everyone. And the winner just needs to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with their address, and I will mail this out ASAP. So let's see who wins. Good luck. So the winner of this month's giveaway is Nancy Bachmeyer 5921. So congratulations to Nancy. And Nancy, if you just send me an email with your address, I will send this out right away. And congratulations to Nancy. Thanks for watching.